Welcome back to my channel, Learn Property Valuation with Dr. T. Today, we'll be looking at another aspect of the year's purchase, which we started earlier. We'll be looking at the year's purchase in perpetuity. In earlier videos, I had told you that to get the capital value of a property, you have to capitalize the net income by an appropriate year's purchase to get the capital value. And I told you that the year's purchase you use is dependent on the kind of interest that you are valuing. Today, we're going to be looking at uh, calculating the year's purchase when you are valuing a freehold interest. By the end of this video, I hope that you would be able to differentiate a year's purchase single rate or dual rate from a year's purchase in perpetuity and also know how to do the calculations. Let's begin. Formulating the capital value of a property is capital value is equal to net income multiplied by the year's purchase. And remember that we said that the year's purchase used depends on the kind of interest that you are valuing. So we use the YP in perpetuity when we are valuing a freehold interest, okay? Valuing a freehold interest. Later, when we do term and reversion, you will see that it is used when you are valuing a freehold interest that has been let at the full rental value of the property. And it has the simplest formula. As you can see, the formula is just 1 over I, where your I is equal to the interest rate in decimal, of course, right? So I think we can go in to look at one example of how to use the YP in perp. So this question says calculate the YP in perpetuity at 7% per annum. Note that the formula for the YP in perp does not have an N in it. Okay, unlike other formulas that we have been doing that has the N, which stands for the number of years, the YP in perp does not have the N in it, and that's because it is infinite, right? It is not limited by time. It does not end. It is in perpetuity. Perpetuity means forever, so that's why you don't find an N in it. Okay, so if for this question our I is equal to 0.07, so our YP is now 1 over 0.07, which is equal to 14.29. So that means that this is what we are going to multiply by the net income to arrive at our capital value. Let's look at another question. This question says a freehold office property in Wuse 2, Abuja is let at 6 million naira net per annum at an all-risk yield of 7.5%. What is the freehold interest? So using our normal YP in perp is equal to 1 over I, where our I here is equal to 0.075, right? So it means our YP is equal to 1 over 0.075, which is equal to 13.33. So now we have to do the valuation. So we say the freehold valuation and then we have our net rent. Our net rent is 6 million naira per annum. Then we have YP in perp at 7.5%, which is this figure that we have here, and that's 13.33. So we multiply that to get a capital value, which is equal to 80 million naira. Very easy. The only tricky part is knowing when to use it. Otherwise, the calculation is very easy. So, as usual, I'm going to leave you with one question which I would want you to solve by yourself. Okay? Here's the question. The question says a freehold residential estate in Lagos generates a total net income of 9.6 million naira per annum in perpetuity. Two valuers disagree on yield. Valuer A uses 7% and valuer B uses 8.5%. Calculate the capital value under each yield and state the difference. So this is a very simple one. Please practice with this and put your answers in the comment section so that I can help you to review them. Thank you. I hope you have learned how to use the YP in Perp. I'll see you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already done that. Also like and share the videos. Thank you.